Hello, my name is Latana Saffold. I am the owner, CEO of Evolve LLC Business Strategists and Consultants. We offer services to help businesses take their organization to the next level with success as they define it. I was doing very little with AI prior to the course because I used it to check spelling, I used it to make things sound better, essentially used it like I would use Grammarly. Sometimes I would use it to create emails and edit papers. After the class, AI has given me the opportunity to use it as an assistant, so I am able to plan out my week. I am able to quickly respond to emails. I've created a chatbot. I have also authored a book that will be published within the next 6 months. So I have used it to create presentations, to create marketing plans and business strategies to help me forecast how and what I need to do to get my business to the next level. I've also been able to use it as a research tool, helping me to navigate the program for the doctorate that I'm working on, and I've used that to help me find those articles and summarize them without using it as a plagiarism type